So, it's finally time for the unboxing of this boss. So inside is my new drone that I waited for about a week, and which cost 56,000 won, as I previously mentioned. So it is quite a lot, but not as expensive as some other drones. So I am very excited to open this. So over here, yeah, these bags are still very hermetically sealed and very sticky. So here it comes. Oh yeah! Let's see if there's anything in the box that I'm missing. Yep, that's the empty bag right there. Empty bag. Yeah. This, my friends, is the Visuo X809. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if this is an issue, but there is a hole in the back. So that's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Hopefully this is not broken, but if it is, I might have to ask the teacher to help me refund this and maybe get an exchange. But I'm excited. This is the drone. It looks really cool from here. And then, as you can see here, it is the number XS809HW. So, time to open this. I'm just going to check on something. Yep. So, yeah, I have a second camera so open this. Oh, okay, so that was a shock for a second there. As you can see I'll show on the other camera, but then it was there was a piece of plastic covering everything. So it was very, I was shocked for a moment. But here it is. This is the drone. I don't want to tip it out, so I'm just going to pick it up. This is the drone, baby. It is pretty big. This is my hand. This is the size. This is almost bigger than my hand, and that's folded. But let's see. I should probably read the instructions first. But here's the drone first, and then here is the controller. Yep. So if I'm not mistaken, this should be able to pop up. Yep, this can. Hopefully I was supposed to do that. Okay, so it does that. And the really nice thing is it is labeled take off and also land, stop, speed, which is slow or high, I think it was, and flip. So, yeah, and then there is the camera button, there is the record button, I think come home, and altitude or headless. Wait, so does this have altitude hold? Okay. Anyway, I'm just... I feel like I got ripped off or something. Okay, so there's that. So we'll take this out. Camera, video, photo. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm just putting everything there for now. Oh, spare rotors and rotor propeller guard and a screwdriver, probably for installing that. So here we have the instruction manual. So the user's manual. So let's see. Ages 14 plus. Check. I am older than 14. Why does the camera look different? Yeah, the camera looks different. Why? Okay, so anyway, okay, so anyway, so let's go to part 1, which is here. So part 1, setting up the controller, installing controller batteries. I do not have batteries. And let's see. That's funny. This one doesn't have auto hover. And the camera looks different. That's strange. Yeah, the camera looks different for some reason. And first gonna pull out the battery. Okay, so this is the battery. It is a 900 milliampere hour battery, and constitutes most of the weight. So I'm actually gonna have to pause it here because I need to go grab batteries.